So with the integration between IoT, AI and ML, how they together means with IoT we will connect the things to the internet, and once you connect the things to the internet, we can bring all the data to the cloud. The cloud consists of all the data regarding the things, but we don't know what things are happening. There we will use the machine learning algorithms to analyze the data. So once we put the machine learning algorithms to it, it's a data science, data analytics, how we can visualize the data, and how we can aggregate and segregate, and how we can know what actually happening with the data. If we do two or more things, so with the machine learning algorithm, what the machine can know, the machine can automatically learn itself. So automatically by learning itself, the machine will become a artificial intelligence. So this is a integration between IoT, AI and machine learning. And where the cyber physical system comes into play is, as all the things are coming into the internet, lot of cyber attacks may attack. There is a chance of attacking lot of cyber attacks. So cyber physical system says that only things automation is not required. With automation we require some manual process as well wherever necessary. That is the cyber physical system. IoT is purely automatic without human intervention, whereas cyber physical systems is, it's a automatic and manual. Wherever the necessary human being will be there, and wherever not necessary the automation will be there. That is the cyber physical systems. And big data analytics we call as here as big data analytics. In the cloud we call as a to analyze the data. So the things around us may be many things, not one or two things. Many billions of things will be there around us. So each and every data around us will be connected to the internet. Just a simple example, in a WhatsApp, our memory is getting very full because we have a WhatsApp groups, and every individual having the WhatsApp. If one person put hi means for replying we will put hi. Like that the data is becoming very huge and distributed. So how we can able to do that things means, there comes the data science, and that is the big data analytics. In big data analytics we will use again AI and machine learning. So with the help of an IoT we can connect the things, and with the help of AI and machine learning we can able to analyze the things. Why we need to analyze the things here means, we need to convert the data into the information. Why we need to convert data into the information means, to take the decisions. With the help of the information we can take the decisions. So information is the processed data. So this is how the IoT, AI and machine learning will influence all other subjects, and where it has a applications almost in each and every sector and each and every field. That is my conclusion about the IoT, AI and machine learning.